Welcome to our Wellness to Go series, where we bring you accessible and engaging activities to enhance your overall well-being. Today, we're diving into physical wellness with a fun and engaging DIY activity, creating your own fitness dice. This activity combines creativity with exercise, offering a fun and customizable way to stay active. Let's take a look at the materials. In the kit, you will find 2 dice templates, a list of different physical activities, and stickers. Additional materials that are required include scissors, glue, a pencil, and pencil crayons, markers, or crayons. Now that we know what we need, let's get started. First, grab the dice templates. Choose the first one to start cutting. Now grab your scissors. We're going to cut at the black line. Remember to be careful with the scissors and take your time. Make sure you do not cut off the little tabs. After cutting the first one, cut the second one the same way. Once you have both templates cut out, it's time to decorate. On the first dice, write down different physical activities on each side. A list of physical activity examples has been provided. You can include things like hop, jump, spin, run, skip, and more. Get creative and choose activities you enjoy. For the second dice, simply write the numbers 1 through 6 on each side. You can add types of designs, pictures, shapes, and stickers. Get creative! 12 sides, choose the first one you would like to start folding. We're going to fold the tabs down, and we're also going to fold the black lines. You can watch as I demonstrate how to do it. Now we're going to fold the next one. After you've folded the tabs, we're going to start gluing. You're going to put the glue on the tabs. This part may be tricky. I've slowed down gluing it to get an idea of how to make sure it sticks. You can use any technique you think will help. After applying the glue, carefully fold the dice into a box shape, pressing the tabs down to make them stick. Hold the tabs in place for a few seconds to ensure they adhere properly. All you want to do is make sure all the tabs are glued down. After you're done gluing all the sides together, it should look something like this. You can put that one aside and we can move on to the second one. finished gluing both dice, set them aside to dry. I left mine to dry for a few hours to make sure they wouldn't fall apart. Now that they are dry, get rolling! Roll the dice and do the exercise you see on the one side, and do as many times as you see on the second dice. Now that you've created your fitness dice, let's explore some tips and variations to help make the most out of your fitness journey. Exercise variations. Change up the exercises to give you more challenge. Time-based challenges. Create time-based challenges where you roll the dice and perform the exercise for a specific duration, like 30 seconds or 1 minute. This adds a competitive and motivating element to the workout. Partner workouts. Turn your fitness dice into a social activity by grabbing a friend and taking turns rolling the dice. This can make the workout more enjoyable. Progressive workouts. Modify the dice over time by gradually increasing the difficulty of exercises or adding new ones to challenge yourself as you go along. Rest and recovery. Incorporate sides of the dice that suggest stretching or yoga poses for active recovery days, promoting overall fitness balance and injury prevention. With these tips and variations, your fitness dice can become a fun and engaging way to boost your physical wellness journey. Remember, staying active is an essential investment in your overall health and well-being. Congratulations on completing your DIY fitness dice! If you've already rolled your way through the workout, let us know in the comments below. What's your favorite type of exercise to include in a workout? What's the funniest or most creative workout idea you can imagine rolling on your dice? And finally, what's one fitness goal you're working on right now? And how could using these fitness dice help you achieve it? You may inspire others to try something new. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and activities.